Hello everybody and welcome for the second video of the gun tests. So for now we are making another trigger because the first one wasn't working as well as we expected it. So I'm just making the new trigger right now, so measuring some things and cutting back the pieces. So it will not be as big as the first one because we don't need it, so just cut this part. And we will make another system because, as you've probably seen in the first video, we don't need the boss things to work on a conveyor, so we just need one and one that is not moving, acting like a middle of the course. So I'm trying to show you it's like this. We want the trigger to act, and by just pushing it, it will just move in this. So it's a little different system, but it stays the first one. So it will be as quick as the first video because I just sped it up because you don't want to see all the video. It's not really interesting, I think, to see it in real speed, because for those who don't make 3D, they will not be interested, and for those who make 3D, they will know what I'm doing. So I remind you, Fusion360, I don't know if it's pronounced like this in English, is a free logiciel it's a free software, so you can use it as free software, but it have just paid version to have more complex things. But I'm using the free software for now. I will pass to the paid one maybe one day. So as you can see, we almost finished the thing. I'm just making the releasing thing. So like in the first video, it has a releasing mechanism to not press and release the trigger before we wanted to release it. So this is the working thing, composed always of 4 parts, but here we have 2 triggers because I wanted to have an idea while making this of what it will look like. So as you can see, I'm placing all in the different places, and I want to assemble it like this, so it will look like this. So let's try it out. So you have just the first piece, a trigger, the plate to keep all in place, the little thing that will release pressure, and the joint. So it's very easy to assemble. I just make some few mistakes of 3D printing, so I just needed to adjust it with a knife. And let's assemble this. So it's assembled right now, and when it's assembled, as you can see, it works perfectly even in the air. And so it's not really glued, but in the gun it will not act like a problem, and you need to place it in the right position like this. So it works as I want it to work, and it's real nice. Thank you and see you next video.